Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I will share with you how to cancel Equifax subscription and to cancel your product at any time within your My Equifax account by clicking your name on the top right corner and selecting my account, and then you can cancel subscription. And you can also cancel your subscription by calling customer care team at 1-888-378-4329, and that is basically how to cancel by calling this number. And guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends, and if have any question, comment in the commenter. And I hope this video helpful for you guys, and give me this like and watching. I hope this video helpful for you.